Hi, I'm Tony from NEANN by RAPP Australia. Today we're going to take a look at one of the 3 trauma bags in the NEANN Professional series. We're going to look at the NEANN TEK or Trauma Equipment Kit, TEK. Okay, so the third in the family of 3 NEANN Professional series trauma bags is the NEANN TEK, TEK. Again, slightly different from the other 2, but that are in the range that you'll remember, but a lot of commonality as well. So again, without going through all the detail, slightly different shoulder sling attachment. This is just attached with the C-clips versus the fidlocks. Certainly coated webbing handles, again, certainly the magnetic handle attachment, making it easy to remove with one hand. And the C-clip handles that we've talked about in other videos about how to remove them, but certainly if you need to replace the handles because they can become damaged or anything, easy to replace that yourself. The smallest of the 3, 2 pouches. This doesn't have it does have a sharps holder attachment on there, magnetic, but doesn't come as standard with the sharps holder on it. I'll just quickly grab one to show you, but that does attach if required. So that's an added extra if you want the sharps holder for that. In terms of the bag itself, really only 2 compartments. This isn't designed to take a drug bag. Certainly the 3/4 drug bag won't fit in there, but able to carry perhaps one of the first aid backpack drug bags, or other things that you're wanting to carry. Again, has the insert for documents or whatever labelling you might want to put in the bag. So that's the front pouch. You can hopefully, a bit hard to do on the video, but hopefully you can see that for dimension across there. Inside compartment, again, slightly different from the others. This does come as standard with a sewn in, stitched in trauma panel. So that's the standard bag. This is not removable. So that's what you get when you order this bag. You get one of those already built in, room for attaching all the standard sort of trauma gear that you'd want, whether it be tape holders, Medicut shears or whatever. Like the others, I guess a divided compartment for stowing all your trauma gear, bandages and other stuff. These, as we've said with the others, these dividers are removable, but not movable. So you can take one out. There's a bit of flexibility, as we've said a few times, inside the bag to be able to fit slightly bigger things than you would normally carry. But if you wanted to a much bigger space, you've really got to remove that compartment or that divider altogether. But simple bag, but really very popular, designed off bags that we make for some of the ambulance services. That's I guess where the bag came from in the first place, and been new and improved. Again, like the other bags that we've talked about, done in environment-free, antimicrobial fabric, and designed obviously through that fabric to improve contamination resistance, and basically will kill more than 99% of the microbes and bugs. So like all of them on the inside of the compartments, we deliberately now design them with light grey fabric. A bit hard to tell on that one, but all deliberately designed in that colour to allow you to identify any contaminants on the surface and easy to wipe down. So that's the NEANN Professional Series TEK bag, the smaller of the 3, but really neat bag, and again very, very popular in our range. So there you go. That was a quick overview of the NEANN TEK or Trauma Equipment Kit bag.